Friends, now I am explaining about how to accessing a packages. Java package can be accessed either using a fully qualified class name or using a shortcut approach through the import statements. Here, import package 1 and package 2 package 3 up to packages and dot class name. Here, package 1 is the name of the top level package, comma package 2 is the name of the package that is inside the package, and so on. We can have any number of packages in the package hierarchy. We can declare many multiple packages and we can access multiple packages followed by the dot. So finally the explicit class name is specified. The import statement must end with the semicolon. Must end with terminated by the semicolon. The import statement should appear before any class definition in a source file, or multiple import statements are allowed into the packages. So how to import multiple packages? This is the syntax or example. Import first package dot second package dot third package dot up to n packages, finally conclude by the class name. And import one way is like that, and second way also we can import the packages. Import first package dot star. When you are declaring the dot star, the whole class or the whole files are imported into the programs. What are the advantages for packages? There are several advantages of packages. Some of them the following. First, we are providing the security, or we are providing the hide and seek. It's a confidential data. It's a encapsulation. We are providing the hide and seek through packages, and we can provide the more security through packages. So here packages are useful to arrange related classes and interfaces into a single group. And this single group means package mypack, we are creating the mypack in a folder, multiple programs it's having in a single folder. This makes all the classes and interfaces performing the same task to put together in the same package. A packages hides the classes interfaces in a separate subdirectory so that accidental deletions of classes interfaces will not take places. The classes and interfaces of a packages are isolated from the classes and interfaces of another package. We don't know what you are preparing the first package, and we don't know what you are preparing the second packages, because of we are providing the hide and seek. This means that we can use same name for classes or of two different classes. And the fourth advantage is a group of packages is called as a library. The class and interface of a packages are like books in a library, can be reused several times. This reusability nature of the packages makes programming easily. So these are the packages. Thank you, students.